Ever had that moment when a hiccup just won't stop? What causes these annoying little bursts? It all starts with your diaphragm, a muscle right under your lungs. When it contracts suddenly, it forces air into your throat, causing your vocal cords to close quickly, and voila, a hiccup. Hiccups can happen for so many reasons. Eating too fast, drinking carbonated drinks, or even just excitement. While hiccups usually go away on their own, holding your breath or drinking water can sometimes help. So next time you're hiccuping, just remember it's your body's quirky way of resetting.